This is the heart and soul of our aviary, our treatment room.
They really like you. Oh, a lot.
Yes, I'm their great big mama bird.
Ew. Wow.
What's up?
Oh, I'm good.
Many of the birds here were rescued from smugglers.
Smugglers?
Yes, and unfortunately, poor birds are often hurt or even killed in the process. But with proper care, they can be saved. Look here, this poor guy was found last night. Hey, buddy, you're looking great today. Much better, much better. Get well soon.
So, where's Jewel?
Oh, we have a special place for Jewel. She's a very spirited bird. I'll say. She did that? Oh, charming. Okay, I want to go home now. No, don't worry. I'm gonna make you look irresistible.